Welcome to Module 7.1, Replacement Does Not Mean Disappearing. In this lesson, we are going to talk about how to reduce unnecessary founder dependence without abandoning the business, lowering your standards, or stepping away from what matters. And before we go any further, I want you to hear this clearly. If too much still comes back to you, it does not mean you are failing. It usually means the business is ready for clearer rules, rhythms, ownership, and review. You are in the right place. Many founders carry work longer than they need to because they care deeply about quality, customers, and the future of the company. So when you hear the phrase replace yourself, it may sound like you are supposed to disappear. That is not what this means. You are not trying to become absent. You are trying to stop being required for every repeated decision, question, interruption, or escalation. The business has grown. Now the structure needs to grow with it. Here is the key lesson for this module. Founder replacement is about freedom, not absence. Replacement does not mean becoming irrelevant. It means removing the routine dependency that keeps you from leading at a higher level. The goal is to stay connected to the right work and step back from the work that no longer needs to depend on you. By the end of this lesson, you will complete 3 simple deliverables. First, you will create a required versus preferred involvement list. This helps you sort where you are truly required from where you simply prefer to stay involved. Second, you will complete an unnecessary founder involvement map. This helps you identify one area where a person, rule, rhythm, or checklist could carry the work. Third, you will choose your first exit target. This is the first area where you will begin reducing your required involvement without abandoning quality or leadership. Your activity is required versus preferred involvement. Do not try to make it perfect. Use it to see the current pattern more clearly. Your quick win is to choose one routine area where your involvement is unnecessary and write one sentence that defines what must be true before that work no longer comes to you. That one sentence is a small move toward freedom. This part of order is about replace and review. The goal is not to disappear from the business. The goal is to remove the routine dependence that keeps you from leading at a higher level. You are not trying to care less. You are learning how to lead with more clarity, more structure, and less daily rescue. As you complete this lesson, remember that order is not built in one big move. It is built one clear decision, one written rule, one transferred responsibility, and one improved rhythm at a time.